What's going on YouTube? Today we're just unboxing and taking a look at Mobvoi's brand new color for their TicWatch Pro 5. I'll leave a link down in my description below for the full review of my TicWatch Pro 5 here. I think this is one of Android's best options with one of the biggest battery on a smartwatch at 628 milliamp hour. It's definitely a multi-day battery. But let's just unbox the SandStone color because I think this color looks super awesome. The all new SandStone color. And as the name suggests, you get that little bit of sandstone color with that gold on the top. I think this is a very nice option for a lot of people. Let's just refresh that screen and turn it on, see if we get any kind of juice. This is Mobvoi's latest smartwatch and it's a well-deserved upgrade from their previous generations. I'll leave a link to my video review down in the description below. You have those nice ridges on the power button that feel really awesome. A rotating digital crown. And again, it's just a new color. It just kind of refreshes the line and gives people a lot of options. This is the obsidian on my wrist, just so you get an idea. And let's just go ahead and switch out the color. And I got to tell you quite honestly, I'm definitely digging this sandstone color. I think this is going to be the color that I choose on a daily basis. Let's just go through the setup process. In case you missed it in my other review, you're going to get a pop-up on your phone that says TicWatch has been found. Click on connect and then follow through the prompts, and that's all you have to do. And here it is, all set up. Again, I think this is a really awesome color. I like the two-toned action that's going on. You have that nice, what looks like gold to me, nice gold bezel right on the top, and that sandstone type of look on the bottom half as well. I think the TicWatch is a really awesome looking smartwatch. So check my link down below if you're interested in picking this up or the obsidian color. Let me know which one you think is the better color down in the comments below. Beautiful screen. As you can see there, fits really nicely on the wrist as well, not super tall. And with replaceable bands, you can switch up your style depending on your mood. Of course, it's all about this dual secondary layer screen that's made TicWatch famous in my opinion, one of the best innovations in a smartwatch. And now thanks to having multiple color options, you can choose the one which you think looks best on your wrist, which definitely fits your style a little bit better. I'm also working on a comparison video between the TicWatch Pro 5 and the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic here, so if there's anything you want to know in particular, let me know down in the comments below and I'll try and include that in my upcoming video. But these are the hottest devices when it comes to wearables for 2023, so definitely let me know if you have any questions about them down in the comments below. I'm feeling this sandstone color. Let me know what you guys think. I think this is an awesome color. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video.